first must draw free body diagram. Then you have to apply Newton's second law, summation F is equal to ma, and then you get the F lift. Then work done, work W is equal to F S, right? So we have to find S. So S we find from the linear equation. Okay. Then you get the work done by the lifting force. 1.848 times 10 power of 5 joule. Okay. Then you find out the work done by gravitational force. Gravitational force also we call as a weight. W is equal to mg. We have to find out that work done. So net work done is equal to W net is equal to W lift minus WG.